This video is brought to you by Envato Elements. Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll take a look at how to create this cool trick where I come out of a TV. I'll show you step by step how you can recreate this inside of Adobe After Effects. Before we start, I wanna quickly talk about Envato Elements. Envato Elements is an amazing tool for all creators. It's a huge library with tons of creative assets and presets. They offer great stock footage, including green screen clips like fog, fire, lightning, water, and literally anything you'll need. This library also includes professional Premiere Pro and After Effects templates, VFX packs, intros, transitions, text animations, as well as sound effects and music. It allows you to download unlimited amount of all these assets just for a single price, and you can cancel it anytime. If you are a filmmaker, it will definitely save you a lot of time. Make sure to check it out, there is a link in the description down below. So let's see what shots we need for the trick. For the first shot, I put a green background on the TV and recorded a shot moving backwards with the camera. This is the second shot which we're going to place on the TV screen and use as a background. Finally, for the green screen shot I used two green screens. One in the foreground which will represent the bottom frame of the TV, and a second one in the background. Once we have all these shots, let's fire up After Effects. I placed all three shots on the timeline. First things first, we need to 3D track the TV shot. So go to the tracker panel and hit Track Camera. Let After Effects do its thing, and then choose Create Camera. Now when we make the green screen layer 3D, it will stick to the TV. Next, grab the pen tool and create a mask around the green screen area. Then search for Key Light effect and apply it to the green screen layer. Remove the green color, adjust the settings, and choose Intermediate Result. Then apply Advanced Spill Suppressor effect, which will remove the green spill. Now scale and position the layer, and you can also animate it so that it fits into the TV screen. At this point we can add the background into the TV. Select the TV shot and remove the green screen. Next, make the background layer 3D, then add CC Power Pin effect to the background shot, and adjust the corners so that it lines up with the TV. Place this layer on the bottom of the timeline. Now find a spot where you can cut the green screen shot, so that the first part of the layer will be placed below the TV, and the second part of the layer will be placed above the TV shot. This way I can be inside of the TV before the cut, and then come out of the TV after the cut. Additionally, I animated the shots in the beginning for a smooth transition. Furthermore, I matched the colors of these clips using the curves effect. I also created a gray solid, reduced the opacity, and made the mask to make the screen look a bit more washed out. Next, I duplicated the green screen layer to create a shadow. So I scaled it down a bit and adjusted the position. Then I used the fill effect and filled the layer with black color. Finally, I blurred it out with the fast blur effect and reduced the opacity. And that's it. Now you can pre-compose everything and add final color grading. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.